everybody, my name is Ray and I'm from First Street Restaurants in Paradigm Mall. We are located at the lower ground floor. So First Street is just open for about a month and we serve authentic Vietnamese cuisine from all parts of Vietnam, all regions of Vietnam. And some of our signature dishes will be our pho combination, our banh mi, as well as our lemongrass chicken rice. So hope you have time, come down to Paradigm Mall and give us a try. And you're listening to AFO Radio.